Alrighty, for this one you're going to need crayons, doesn't matter what color, and paper. Pick any color crayon. I'm going to use this magenta crayon, and we are going to learn how to make a treble clef. A treble clef looks like this when it's done. So we are going to start with the beginning. We are going to start from the bottom, and we're going to go up and just make a line. That's the beginning of our treble clef. Let's try it again. Bottom to top, just draw a line. I'm going to switch colors. We're going to use this Pacific Blue crayon. Go from the bottom to the top. One more time. Bottom to the top. Now we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 treble clefs on this paper. After we draw our line, we'll work on this first one here. After we draw a line, we're going to put a bump on the top, almost looks like the letter P. Let's try it on this one. A bump on the top, almost like the letter P. I'm going to switch colors again. Work on this one. A bump on the top, almost like the letter P. And how about this last one? We'll add our bump. Perfect. We have the beginning of 4 treble clefs. Next, we're going to add a bump on the other side. We're going to go to the back side here, and we're going to add a bump there. So we did our line, added a bump on the top, almost like the letter P. Now we're going to add a bump on the bottom. This one is bigger than this one. Let's try it on our second one. A bump on the back side that's a little bit bigger than the first one. We'll go to the next one, add a bump on the back side that is a little bit bigger than the first one. Let's work on this one. A bump on the back side that is a little bit bigger. Alrighty, we did our straight line, our bump on the front like a letter P, our bump on the back that's a little bit bigger, and now we're going to add, I don't know, we'll call it a little swirl. Start on the bottom there, right by the bottom, and come up like this. Perfect. Let's try the next one. Start at the bottom, add a little swirl. Now, it should go at least to your line, maybe a little bit further. This one should go a little further. There we go, that looks better. Let's try it on this one. We're going to go to the bottom, add our little swirl in front. Let's go to this one, add a little swirl in front. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 very colorful treble clefs. We started with a line from the bottom to the top. We added a bump in the front, then we went around the back, and we added a swirl. Let's try the next one. Started at the bottom, went to the top, added a bump on the front, added a bump on the back, and then a little swirl. We did our line, added a bump on the front, a bump on the back, and a little swirl. Last one. Our line, bump on the front, bump on the back, and added a swirl. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful treble clefs. Good luck!